Hello friends, today we'll discuss some of the important MCQs on Union and its territory. Which article describes India, that is Bharat, as a union of states rather than a federation of states? The options are option A Article 1, option B Article 2, option C Article 3, option D Article 4. The right answer is option A Article 1. Which of the following is not a union territory? Option A Goa, option B Lakshadweep, option C Chandigarh, option D Dadar and Nagar Haveli. The right option is option A Goa. Goa is not a union territory. The total number of union territories in India are option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. The right answer is option C 8. Which is not a member of Seven Sisters? Option A Tripura, option B Manipal, option C Nagaland, option D Andhra Pradesh. The right answer is option D Andhra Pradesh. Sikkim was made an integral part of India under which amendment? Option A 36th Amendment, option B 39th Amendment, option C 40th Amendment, option D 42nd Amendment. The right answer is option A 36th Amendment. Whose consent is required to be obtained before the bill related to restructuring in the states is passed in Parliament? Option A the respective state legislature, option B the governor of the respective state, option C President, option D Lok Sabha. The right option is option C President. In which year Manipur and Tripura became full-fledged state of India? Option A 1972, option B 1968, option C 1962, option D 1980. The right answer is option A 1972. Andhra Pradesh was created as a linguistic state in which year? Option A 1950, option B 1953, option C 1956, option D 1961. The right answer is option B 1953. In which year Goa was conferred statehood? Option A 1967, option B 1977, option C 1957, option D 1987. The right answer is option D 1987. In which year was the state of Jharkhand formed? Option A 1998, option B 1999, option C 2000, option D 2001. The right answer is option C 2000. Jharkhand was formed in the year 2000. By which one of the following constitutional amendments Delhi has become NCR, National Capital Region? Option A 61st Amendment, option B 69th Amendment, option C 71st Amendment, option D 79th Amendment. The right answer is option B 69th Amendment. The master plan of NCR, National Capital Region, was approved in which year? Option A 1959, option B 1962, option C 1981, option D 1996. The right answer is option B 1962. Which state created by Punjab Reorganization Act of 1966? Option A Haryana, option B Himachal Pradesh, option C Chandigarh, option D Maharashtra. The right answer is option A Haryana. Who among the following was the head of the Linguistic Provinces Commission appointed in 1948 to inquire into the desirability of linguistic provinces? Option A Justice Faisal Ali, option B Justice S.K. Dhar, option C Jawaharlal Nehru, option D B.R. 'B. R. 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 ' The right option is option B, Justice S.K. Dhar. In which state electronic voting machine EVM was first used? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Karnataka. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Tamil Nadu. The right answer is option A, Kerala. Who has the right to set up the High Court in Union Territory? Option A, Supreme Court. Option B, President. Option C, Parliament. Option D, Governor. The right answer is option C, Parliament. Who has the power to increase or diminish the area of any state? Option A, Supreme Court. Option B, President. Option C, Parliament. Option D, none. The right option is option C, Parliament. United Provinces was renamed as option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Himachal Pradesh. The right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. The old name of Uttar Pradesh was United Provinces. To whom the Chief Minister of Delhi submits his or her resignation to? Option A, the President of India. Option B, State's Governor. Option C, Delhi Vidhan Sabha Speaker. Option D, Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi. The right answer is option A, the President of India. A bill for the creation of new state in India is required to be passed in Parliament by option A, simple majority. Option B, two-thirds majority. Option C, two-thirds majority plus ratification by half of all states. Option D, none. The right option is option A, simple majority. How many states and union territories were created after the recommendations of States Reorganization Commission formed in 1953? Option A, 16 states and 5 union territories. Option B, 14 states and 5 union territories. Option C, 16 states and 6 union territories. Option D, 14 states and 6 union territories. The right answer is option D, 14 states and 6 union territories. Among the following states, which one was formed last? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Karnataka. Option D, Punjab. The right option is option C, Karnataka. Which commission was appointed to look into the question of states reorganization on the basis of languages? Option A, Dhar Commission. Option B, JVP Commission. Option C, Fazal Ali. Option D, none. The right answer is option B, JVP Commission. J for Jawaharlal Nehru, V for Vallabhbhai Patel, and P for Pattabi Sitaramaya. Mizoram was made a state of Union of India in 1986 by which amendment? Option A, 53rd Amendment. Option B, 55th Amendment. Option C, 35th Amendment. Option D, 18th Amendment. The right option is option A, 53rd Amendment. Uttarakhand state came into existence on option A, November 9th, 2000. Option B, November 10th, 2001. Option C, November 1st, 2000. Option D, 11th November 2001. The right option is option A, 9th November 2000. So those were the some of the MCQs on Union and its territories of India. Hope this is useful. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.